Hey guys, Happy New Year. Wishing you all the best for 2024. Thanks for joining us on our first video of the year where we'll be seeing Gabriel. He's out today cleaning some render. Nice easy job to start the year. There's scaffolding in place, so no need for a cherry picker or our own tower. So a couple of little pointers guys wanted to share with you about scaffolding. So we've come across it a lot of times with scaffolding when the client's got it up, then it's right touching the building. So if we're cleaning the surface, they either should remove the inner board so that we can clean right up to the edge, or sometimes the poles go into the surface themselves, so we won't get an even finish, or we have to return when the scaffolding's all down. So just something to bear in mind if you're ever getting a cleaning job done, either remove the inner board or make sure that where you're getting cleaned, if you can avoid it, the poles aren't going into the walls or it's not tied into the walls in that place, because that might prevent a nice even clean. So the other thing is, this client saved a lot of money. If there was a cherry picker involved in the job, it would add several £100s to the job for the access. So it's always a good idea, if you've got any work coming up and you need scaffolding for another job, it could be some silicone, it could be replacing a window, replacing a tile, whatever it is, it's a good time also to think about, can I get some cleaning done? Do I need any cleaning done? Because it will actually save you money in the long run. The render's not too bad, but I'm sure we can make it look a whole lot better. He's going to be steam cleaning and using some bleach-based cleaning chemical as well to really brighten up the render, get rid of all the organic staining. And as I mentioned in previous videos, render gets very dirty because of the texture. It allows the water to stay in it and algae and the mosses and growths to flourish. So we love render, keeps us nice and busy. So grab your coffee, get yourself comfortable, and let's go and see what Gabriel's up to. Hey guys, sorry for interrupting the video. I know you're probably enjoying that transformational goodness. We'll get right back to the video in a minute, but if you're liking our content, I ask you a small favor. If you could please subscribe to our channel, because we're giving a really big push this year and we're going to be releasing a video every single week. So if you subscribe, you'll be notified and you can watch videos like the one that you're enjoying right now. Thanks very much.
I said let go. I said let go. said let go.
So thanks very much guys, hope you've enjoyed watching that video. Our render cleaning transformation, it came out pretty well in the end. We were very happy with the results, as was the client. If you're liking our content, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we'll be delivering some transformational goodness every single week. And if you've got any questions on any of the equipment or any of the procedures that we use in the video, then please do leave them below. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for some more pressure washing videos, or click here for some more render cleaning videos.